Tarbiat LMS, as name suggests, is a learning management system for Joomla. It will facilitate you to manage courses, lessons, quiz, results, and certificates. Once installed, you have access to customer support and updates in order to ensure that you are taking advantages of all the features that Tarbiat LMS offers. After installing Tarbiat LMS, we are at administrator side. Here we have three sections. We will start from Setup LMS. Just click once on one-time configuration. It will do necessary menus. Next is the Config LMS. Before we move next, we have to create menus. So we navigate to the menu. Here we will create a LMS Tarbiat or whatever name you want to select from. And inside this menu, we will create different types of menu of LMS. First one is the login, second is the single course, third one is the result, fourth is the invoice page. Similarly, quiz, single invoice PDF page, and one single course menu. And in the last, list all courses. This all belongs to the Tarbiat LMS as you can see here. After this menu has been created, we will go to the configuration of LMS, and here we will set perspective setting for the supergroup user group. Select the user group, manager user group. The manager here are creator of course, and super user can also create the course. And this is the front end user who will be going to sign up and enroll in your course. You can set the passing percentage. Next will be login menu, course landing page menu, which will be a single menu, and a single course menu. And we have two type of menus here. One will be showing the course landing page, and other will be pointing to course detail page. Next we have a result menu and a quiz menu, invoice menu. I have set it all the menu prospectively. We will set up a course default image, certificate logo, certificate sign, certificate website, address and phone. And in the next tab, we have the payment gateways, which you can enable. I am using five type of payment gateways. First two are the manual gateway and are enabled. After we save and close this configuration, we are done with the setup LMS. Next part is a course management. First, we will create course category like I have created a web development and design. It is very simple to create. Then we will create perspective course here. I have already created three courses. Let me show you uh, how to create a course. When we create on the new, we have a simple pop-up message saying fill course first, then add curriculum sections. I will press on OK. Here I will insert all the necessary information about the course, announcement, detail page, and I am not going to add the course curriculum because I have to save this course. Then after that, this course curriculum section will work. This is the course, and it is the left to right Direction course, web development course. It has sections. Here we can remove and save, add sections respectively. Then after that, we will create lesson inside the course. I have already created the lesson. For example, if I go to new, I will give name free preview, if it has a free preview or not. Select the course section, lesson image if it is needed, and there are three type of source. It can be a Vimeo, YouTube, or Nota. Nota means article type of content. If we select the Nota, we have to select the articles that will be shown in the course lesson, or we can set the URL here. We will add the long description, lesson time duration, ordering status, and there if it has any downloadable contents. Then simply save and close. It will add a lesson for that specific course. We have filter option here. Next we have the question. Question will be added at the end of each section inside the course. So here are the question types, their answers, which one is the correct. We can add more question answer here. We can give the title, course, their section, their lesson. Lesson is optional here. Basically, these two things will be going to work, and that's all. So up to here, we are done with the course management section. The last section is the LMS management section. We have markings, enrollments, results, reviews, question answers, which is also called friendly asked question. And we can also add the language overrides and add the tags for specific countries. Let me show you. Up to here, we are done with the admin configuration and setup of LMS. Let's move to the front end. We have a detail of the courses like that. This is the landing page showing all the courses. I have manually created the HTML and linked to the specific the courses. So going to detail landing page of course. This is a right to left course, graphic design course, and it has all the details on landing page, plus the review sections and friendly ask question section, and requirement section, and lessons included in this course. And here we go to buy now, which will take user to the registration of website, and after that this will be able user will be able to buy that course. Other type is left to right course, and layout is moved from the right to the left side, and same data is showing here too for this specific course. And if you want to look the layout of the list or courses, it will be showing something like this. This will be showing all the courses in one single page, and if I hover over the course, it will be going to show the detail of the chart detail about this course that we set in the course detail. It has two links: rates, reviews, detail, and buy now link. Now I have already enrolled in this course. This is a course in which I have not enrolled in. If I click on buy now, it will take me to the payment and checkout page. I will simply apply select and complete the payment. Now this user has enrolled this in this course, and the status is pending. Now user administrator will check the enrollments, and upon successful payment transaction, it will set up status enroll to yes. Now user can go to continue and start that course. Here all the data will be shown, something like this. You can read the detail. If there are any downloadable contacts, can be shown here as a chat option with the creator of a course, and it has a video or nota article content, and in the last of each section we have a quiz part 2. I have already taken the quiz, therefore it is showing the retake quiz. Now my inside learning, I have a result page which will be showing all the result. If I pass the my quizzes, then I will be able to download the certificate. So that's all. I hope you like it. If you have any query, don't feel free to ask me.